Hi everyone, happy Sunday. I wanted to do an unboxing of something from HERMES, and it's a small leather good. Welcome back to my channel. If you've never joined me before, my name is Jennifer and I love luxury designer handbags. I do about 1 to 2 videos a week and I do tips on designer handbags, unboxing, so I would love it if you subscribed. Today is an unboxing of an HERMES small leather good. I found this one because I saw somebody review it on YouTube and I thought, now that's going to be really useful. I've owned one HERMES bag in the past and it was the Kelly, and it was pre-loved, and it was beautiful caramel brown, and I realized the workmanship in HERMES is amazing. And so I went ahead and sold that one because I just never used her. She was in the size 28 size. And so I thought, well, if they make a small leather good, it's definitely going to be wonderful workmanship as well. So I went on the pre-loved websites first and I couldn't find it. And so then I went ahead and went on the HERMES site. So it's hermes.com and ordered. So here she is. And I think she's going to be really useful. She came with the receipt. We might as well take a look because I've never ordered anything from HERMES before. And so it just says HERMES Paris, HERMES. And then it says your receipt. And then you open it up and it has the receipt in here. And then this comes in their beautiful acid-free paper. Go ahead and take this beautiful sticker. I always try not to tear the stickers. And I just thought that this is going to be very useful. And it comes in their signature orange-red box with the HERMES ribbon. Yeah, I liked the HERMES Kelly that I had. I think it was in a 28. But I can't remember, but it was really pretty. I just never used her. And then we'll go ahead and open this up. I can't wait to see how this works out. And then the box. And so they package even the small leather goods so beautifully. And there she is. She's the BASTIA coin purse in the ETOUPE color. And so this size of this coin purse is 3.5 inches by I think 3.5. So very slender. And the point of this is that you actually can put, and then it says HERMES Paris, made in France. The point of this is you put your coins in here, and then whenever you need to use your coins, you just shake it down and you can see them instead of having to dig around for your coins. And on the website, they had only this color and the black, and I thought this would show up easier. Now I looked just to kind of get the dimensions, and now they have them in like I forget, they have 2 other colors. So depending on the availability, they'll have different colors. So check them out. So hopefully this will work out, and I already love how convenient it is because then you can put all your coins in here, shake them down, and they're not going to fall out the other side. I think it's a very good piece to have, and I thank you for joining me, and I will see you again in my next video.